Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Black MB text interior with a natural grain black ash center console. Aluminum door trim, panorama sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 50,142 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.